Cult of the Lamb Crusade symbols. All you need to know. In Cult of the Lamb, Crusade symbols represent the different types of rooms encountered during dungeon runs. These symbols, such as swords, hearts, and question marks, indicate combat encounters, healing opportunities, or mystery events. Understanding these symbols helps players strategize and choose paths that best suit their needs. Like any other strategy-oriented action-adventure game wherein avid gamers make the most of the perks and rewarding side of the game, Crusade symbols in Cult of the Lamb are what players must make use of when undertaking dungeon runs. In the Cult of the Lamb, one is bound to encounter the following 6 types of Crusade symbols: heart symbol, sword symbol, question mark symbol, wood or stone symbol, food symbol, crown symbol. Just in case you're trying to make sense of the Crusade symbols in the Cult of the Lamb and what they bring to the table, note that you can be better at utilizing your health and resources by simply recognizing and strategically choosing rooms. Another pro tip is to aim for specific rooms, since it helps you accumulate the materials you need for your cult and ensures you shield and retain your base. Moreover, it's also crucial to know the most opportune moments to take risks in mystery rooms, leading to substantially boosted in-game rewards.